Hello and welcome. I'm Prem Tarneja. We're back with more Tamasha this week and also an in-depth discussion on what is wrong with the BJP. Joining me to discuss this will
the one who is the most wrong for the BJP. It's me, Uma.
Yes, welcome.
So good to be back in your studio. You don't call me anymore, Prem.
Well, what to do, Umaji? You haven't won an election. Your party is in utter disarray. And the only time you make news is when you slap someone or the other, which also you have not done for a while.
If you want, I can fix that right now.
No, thank you. Let me tell you what Tamasha is on our menu today. Obama deals with some uninvited flying objects, self-protests against Dhoni, and the Ambanis and their gas issue. But first, what's up with the biggest project ever? Indo-Pak peace. President Zardari and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh met, and let's have a look at how far they have got in their summer project. Kids, I tell you these days, never finish their homework.
टिचकियाँ और ये मारा और भाग मुशर्रफ भाग और मैं आ रहा हूँ और टिचकियाँ
So if we resort to deficit financing, then Offo.
ओए ओफो क्या है सड़ता क्यों है always being rotten.
Oi bachchu, let me study economics, okay? I have a lot of homework, not like you always playing chor sipai. And what a useless sipai you make.
ओए एक तो मिस्टर For your information, even in my game, I play the chore bandit Mr. 10% and the Sipai is Musharraf. Second of all, a teacher has asked us to do the Indo-Pak peace project, not economic homework.
Why should I work on the project alone when you are not interested? It has to be joint project.
Arey, if you are so smart, na, do it yourself. Don't blame me.
I can't do it myself, so why waste time? Might as well do the eco homework.
So do it. Why wasting my time? I'll play a discount. Oh, teacher is coming with photowalas and reporters and all. Chalo.
Tu marwayega bachchu. Hurry up and come here. Fast.
This way, gentlemen.
Yes.
Hello, boys. How's the project getting on?
Very good, ma'am.
Almost done, Madam Ji.
Excellent. Now smile for the photo. Okay, keep working, boys. Bye.
ओए चले गए और डिस्काउंट
तो अगर deficit financing अपना
तो पढ़ता रहा economic डिस्काउंट.
And meanwhile, the BJP announces that according to them, the government should get into talks with Pakistan right away. Umaji, this is the complete opposite of what the BJP would have done were they in power. No talks, no soft approach.
Advani ji never takes soft approach. He is Mazboot Neta and Nirnayak Sarkar. You saw the pose on all BJP posters na?
Yes, which came to be known as the DJ pose. Looking like he was spinning a record.
We will come soon to Advani Dada spinning. First, let's see who all Obama has left spinning.
What should we play now? There is nothing left.
I want to play war and peace.
Or Adi Awam to half the population has no food, and here we are.
Arey, relax. Don't whine all the time. I'll just get something from Uncle Sam. अभी आता हूँ. I want a raise in pocket money. I want more pocket money, uncle. Please, oh pretty please.
Okay, let's see your report card first.
Acha, here it is.
You score D in locating terrorist.
But it is an improvement. Last time I got an E.